Why does random forest reduce overfitting compared to a single decision tree? So let me give you this example. Imagine you would like to go to a doctor, and you went to this doctor and he give you a decision. For instance, you have, for instance, this disease, and you would like to be quite sure. And what you will do, you will go to another one, right? And to make this result, let's say, more confident. And this is random forest using, this will, let's say, reduce the overfitting or noise if you go to many doctors, right? And like random forest reduce overfitting through ensemble learning and randomization. So it's let's say creating many decision trees that collectively generalized better. So if you have a big data set, each tree will use a subset of features and also subset of the data, and this is random. And so this is randomly, each subset will be randomly selected. And if you see randomly selected, it means it will let's see reduce the overfitting. And also for the prediction, it will try to use uh, uh, majority voting from all of these random decisions. And it's called random, it's called forest because it has many trees. And if you see here, random forest is lower variance, robust to noise, and better generalization because you have many decision trees. For the in the other hand, is single decision tree is high variance, sensitive to noise, and also prone to overfitting. And if you would like to use a decision tree, for instance, something like a decision tree, try to avoid decision tree, use random forest. And yeah, I think that's it for today. If you have any further question, please drop it down in the comment below. By the way, every single algorithm is also explained in a very more details with let's see, new really small numerical examples.